See this sticker? Most UK homes still use the exact passwords printed right here. And here's the scary part. If I can see this, a hacker or even a tech-savvy neighbour can too. Most people change their Wi-Fi password so their neighbours don't steal their internet, but they leave the front door to their entire home network wide open. Today, we're performing a 5-minute security audit to lock down your router. If you've never logged into your router settings, your data is at risk, so let's fix that. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In order to change anything, we need to get under the hood. Grab a laptop or phone connected to your Wi-Fi, open a browser and type in your gateway IP address. For most UK routers it's 192.168.11 or 192.168.01. Check that sticker on the back of your router for the admin password. This is the admin panel. This isn't just where you change your Wi-Fi password, this is the master control for your entire home's connectivity. The biggest mistake? Only changing the Wi-Fi password. If a hacker gets onto your Wi-Fi, maybe by guessing a weak password or using a public exploit, and you haven't changed the admin password, they effectively own your router. They can redirect your traffic, see what sites you visit, and even install malicious software. The fix? Look for system or admin settings. Change the default password to something unique. A pro tip is use a password manager. You won't need to enter this often, so make it long and complex as you like. By default, your router's name usually tells the world exactly what hardware you're using. Something like Sky-A1B2C or BT Hub-6 is like hanging a sign outside your house saying, I use this specific brand of lock. The fix here is changing your SSID, which is your network name. Don't use your name or address, like the Johnsons at number 22. Use something generic like FBI surveillance van. Alright, maybe not quite as cliche as that, but Station 5, something like that. This makes it just a little bit harder for the hacker to know which specific vulnerabilities to target on your hardware. If you want personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. Over there you can discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials. Do you need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check out our website in the description below. Do you see that button on your router labelled WPS? It stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's designed to let you connect devices without a password, but it's a massive security hole. WPS uses an 8-digit PIN that is incredibly easy for hackers to brute force their way through. They use a program that guesses every combination until it clicks. The fix here is to go into your settings, find the WPS tab and disable it. From now on, just use your Wi-Fi password to connect to new devices. It takes 10 seconds longer, but it keeps the hackers out. And finally, we have firmware updates. Think of firmware as the operating system for your router. Manufacturers constantly find security holes and release patches to plug them. Look for a software update or check your updates button. Most modern UK ISP routers like the newer Virgin or BT Hubs update automatically, but it's worth checking manually once every few months. If there's an update available, run it. Your router will reboot and you'll be much safer. And that's it. 5 simple changes that take less than 10 minutes but put you ahead of 90% of UK households in terms of digital hygiene. A quick recap: log in to your admin settings, change the admin password, rename your SSID, disable WPS and update your firmware. Your home network is the foundation of your digital life. Treat it with the same care you treat your front door locks. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more digital hygiene tips. And once you've done that, why not get in touch with our team for personalised support? Check our website in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books and more. Check below for more information. See you next time and stay safe out there.